Hello, guys. Happy Sunday. So, after Mass, we just decided to take a peaceful walk through the park and we
Looking at
spotted
me.
a squirrel. Look at it there. It's running on that tree. The brief encounter with the squirrel was so beautiful that it reminds us of the beauty in everyday life. And yeah, it was really lovely. And well, we then headed home, and it was lovely seeing that animal. It was so little and having this quiet time. So yeah, we decided to head home and enjoy the rest of the day. Obviously, there is no Sunday without some quiet time with family. We needed to reboot for the next or for the week, the upcoming week. So yeah, we just had some really catch up and all that. Yeah, this is how we went today, and yeah, I just put a few things together, and yeah, that's it, guys. So how was your on Sunday? Hope you had a good time with yourself and family. Hope you really need to find time to kind of step down a little bit, like kind of take it a step at a time, reboot, and then start again. You need the energy for the new week. We know how it is. So guys, this is from me, and I'm saying have a lovely, lovely week, and I look forward to to what the new week is gonna drop by for us all. And I wish you all the best and have a fruitful Sunday, guys. See you later.